Hi friends, this video shows how to replace RAM memory in a laptop. My laptop has two memory slots. Capacity of each slot is 16 GB. I am going to replace memory module in a slot. We can remove existing memory module like this. Okay, so after that we can insert new memory module. It's very easy. You can insert it like this, then press. Okay, done. Here you can see that laptop has detected new memory module. I have inserted 16 GB memory module in each memory slots. So you can see total memory is 32 GB. Okay, this way we can replace RAM memory. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.